say something?
Can you ask me the question without wasting my time? Can you do that?
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra money is going to go to these trips. I really don't think it's going to go to anything related.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
You need to stop it.
Excuse me. Both of you need to stop it. Both of you need to stop it.
It's fake.
Excuse me.
Here's another courtroom saga featuring two people who clearly can't stand each other, but somehow ended up together and added to the world's population. Now, clueless about what to do, they trade accusations for fun and spend most of their time at each other's throats.
Miss Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay. And your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
And there you have it, the new world record for the fastest courtroom howler. You really goofed it up. Right in your opening statement, no less. Didn't do much prep, did you?
I'm already receiving child support, yes,
okay.
But I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
And how much are you receiving at this time?
$1,500 a month.
$1,500 a month, okay. And you believe that you're warranted an increase? Like, did he come into some money that you know about?
$1, $500 a month? That's not too bad, Miss Wilson. But we get it. Inflation is real. Everything's getting more expensive these days, especially designer dresses and haircuts.
As a matter of fact, he did.
Okay, how do you know?
His secretary kind of told me.
His secretary told you?
Yes.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Sounds like you need a new secretary. She's just telling your ex-wife all of your business?
Exactly. Judge Vonda is the real deal. She won't let anything stand in the way of justice, but she also doesn't let anyone get away with nonsense. Need wise advice? Go see Judge Vonda.
I don't know what she's talking about.
It's his ex-lover.
Ex-lover, okay. We're not going to get into all of that. That has nothing to do with this court.
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, no, I don't need you to thank me, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go. What is she talking about?
But don't worry, Judge Vonda. We'll get to all of that. So, Mr. Wilson, your secretary is your ex-lover? And what's her role now? Freelance snitch, corporate backstabber, professional trader. You might want to rethink both your hiring policy and your dating strategy.
I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Some money, or $50,000. You know, those aren't exactly the same thing. And by the way, we only care about last year. So speak up, Mr. Wilson.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
Now we're getting to it. You received 50?
I didn't receive $50,000. $50,000.
Did you come in my courtroom to play games? I'm really not here to play games with you.
No.
He does that.
Miss Wilson really knows her ex-husband. You can tell he interrupts himself more than anyone else ever could. We can only imagine what his proposal must have sounded like. Will you marry me? Or, well, maybe not marry. Maybe just take me home for the night. He's either playing a very unique game or he's way smarter than he lets on.
A lot.
Your Honor, she's talking when I'm talking.
And I'll get to her in just a minute. Ma'am, I'll need you to save your comments until I return to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Now you stop wasting my time. You received $50,000, correct?
No.
Oh man, he can't help it. It's like Liar Liar Part 2, a 2025 remake, but flipped. Jim Carrey couldn't lie. Mr. Wilson can't tell the truth. You could see it on his face. The yes almost slipped out, but at the very last second, he turned it into a no.
So tell me what's up with the $50,000?
Well, the partnership paid a debt of mine in the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income.
Let's make it simple, Mr. Wilson. Basically, what Judge Vonda is saying is, we can take a portion of it every month and give it to your ex-wife as child support. Got it.
But I didn't even receive, it didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. And under Texas law, I could deem that $50,000 as income, although it's not income producing. What else? Where else you work?
Well, I'm an attorney.
Okay. What type of law do you practice?
Criminal law.
Criminal law.
Ah, so you really are an attorney, a criminal attorney to be exact. Now it all makes sense. Saying some instead of $50,000, giving one statement and then contradicting yourself in the next. Classic acting dumb strategy.
What do you make there?
Well, it ebbs and flows.
Well, answer the question, Mr. Wilson.
I make about 80. I bring home about 80,000.
All right, let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay.
So you bring home about $80,000. But why does it feel like you make more? Are you sure you're not forgetting something? Maybe some money that barely touched your bank account? Like that $50,000?
Let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000, that was the distribution, right? That's your testimony, right? Your tax returns are correct, right?
Well,
Are your tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
according to my
yes or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay,
Caught red-handed, huh? Judge Vonda Sharp. No way she'd miss it. Not even in a million years. We've got 72,000 reasons to believe it. Get it, Mr. Wilson.
into that, I have your doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200, excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Numbers, you know they don't lie. They act all innocent. And then, at just the right moment, boom.
That net to $4,779.38. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$161.
$161. Let me just make sure. Is that what you're looking at in front of you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm just making sure. I have your document here. $161. You're going to be responsible for reimbursing that to her.
Not happy with the verdict? Brace yourself, Mr. Wilson. It only gets worse from here. Something tells us there's a lot more reimbursing and paying in your near future.
Your two net resources together, I have $8,289.96 reimbursement for the health insurance. Prior to adding the reimbursement, it comes out to $2,072.50. Reimbursement of $161 gets you to $2,233.50.
See, we said so.
Say something.
Can you ask me the question without wasting my time? Can you do that?
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra money is going to go to these trips. I really don't think it's going to go to anything related.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
You need to stop it.
Excuse me.
I can
Both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram,
to
it's
stop
fake.
it. Excuse me.
If you can't win it, wreck it. Is that your motto, Mr. Wilson? You're playing all your cards, leaving nothing on the table, hoping something will stick. Guess someone skipped reading the law books, huh?
When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we got
Listen to
divorced
this.
because he cheated.
No, let me tell you about
cheated.
this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her Instagram. All I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of. According to the...
Oh, Mr. Wilson, your luck with women doesn't seem great, does it? First a tricky secretary, then a vengeful ex, and now the formidable Judge Vonda. Either your luck's bad, or maybe it's you. Based on what we're hearing, it's probably a 50-50 split.
Is that your CPA produced, your income went up, therefore, your children are entitled to an increase. So, final child support amount, $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
No, ma'am, that'd be great.
Thank you. Anything further, Mr. Wilson?
I guess not, Your Honor.
Well, I guess you all are dismissed.
And that's a wrap. Another Mr. Smart bites the dust. Judge Vonda must really love justice. She didn't even give her fellow attorney a moment to catch a break.